Good morning, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. Welcome, students, to 3rd standard. What all things we studied in last class? Okay, numbers in 4-digit numbers, counting in thousand, and reading 4-digit numbers. Okay, today we are going to learn about some topics: place value and face value, expanded form and short form, then successor and predecessor of a number. Our first topic, place value and face value. Place value and face value. A digit in a number depends on the place of the digit in a number. The place value of a digit in a number depends on the place of the digit in a number. What is the face value? The face value of a digit is the digit itself. Okay, listen here. Example, consider the number 8243. 8243. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 4-digit numbers. 3 is in the ones place, 4 is in the tens place, 2 is in the hundreds place, 8 is in the thousands place. How to find out the place value and face value? Place value, face value. Three is in the ones place. 3 ones, 3. 3 ones, 3. 4 is in the tens place. 4 tens, 40. Then 2 is in the hundreds place. 200. 200s. 200s. Then 8 is in the thousands place. 8,000. 8,000. Okay. Face value. Face value of a digit is the digit itself. The face value of 3, 3 itself. The face value of 4, 4 itself. The place value of 2, 2 itself. The place value of 8, 8. Okay. Listen here. Now find out the place value and the face value of 8 in 9827. 9827. Listen here. 9827. 9827. All of you take your text, page number 77. Okay, 9827. Now find out the place value of 8. Place value of 8. 8 is in the hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. It is in the hundred place. 800. Face value of 8. Face value of 8. Face value of 8. 8 itself. Face value of 8. 8 itself. Face value 800 is the place value. Okay. Exercise 1.1. Next one, exercise 1.1. Did you understand this? Okay. Place value. Exercise 1.1. Find the place value and the face value of following as shown in the example here. 1309. 1309. Find out the place value and face value. Find out the place value and face value. 9 is in the ones place, 0 is in the tens place, 3 is in the hundred place, 1 is in the thousand place. Okay. Place value, face value. Students, listen here. Place value of 9. 9 is in the ones place. 9 into 1, 9. 9 into 1, 9. Then place value of 0. 0 is in the tens place. 0 into 10. 0 into 10, 0. 4 into 0, 0. Okay. 0 into 10, 0. Then 3 is in the 100 place. 3 is in the 100 place. 3 into 100. We get the answer 300. 3 into 100, 300. 1 is in the 1000 place. 1 into 1000. 1 into 1000. 1000. Okay. Listen here. Find out the place value of 1390. 309. Okay. Place value of 9. 9. 9 is in the ones place. Place value of tens. 0 into 10, ones. Place value of 3. 3 is in the hundreds place. 3 into 100, 300. Then 1 is in the thousands place. 1 into 1000, 1000. Okay. Find out the face value. Face value of 9, 9 itself. Face value of 0, 0 itself. Face value of 3. Face value of 3, 3. Then face value of 1, 1 itself. Okay. Did you understand? Okay. Next one. All of you take your text. Page number 78. All of you take your text. I will explain one question. $2,473. 2,473. Find out the place value and face value. Place value and face value. Place value place value. Listen here. Places are ones, then tens, hundred, thousand. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Place value of 3. 3 is in the ones place. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 1, 3. Then place value of 7. 7 is in the tens place. 7 tens are 70. 7 10. 7 into 10, 70. 7 into 10, 70. 7 is in the tens place. 7 into 10, 70. Then place value of 4. 4 is in the 100 place. 4 into 100, 400. 4 into 100, 400. Then 2 is in the thousands place. 2 is in the thousands place. 2 into 1000, 2 into 1000, 2000. 2 into 1000, 2000. Okay. Place value of 3, 3. Then place value of 7, 70. 7 tens, 70. Place value of 4, 4 hundreds. 4 hundreds. Place value of 2, 1000. 2000. 2 into 1000, 2000. Okay. Then face value. Find out the face value. Face value of 3. Face value of 3? 3 itself. Face value of 7. 7. Face value of 4. Face value of 4? 4 itself. Then place value of 2? 2. Okay. Write it. Did you finish? Okay. You do the second question, B. Write the answer. Find out the place value and B. Find out the place value and face value. 8,609. 8,609. Place value, face value. Do you write? Did you finish? Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay, listen here. 9 is in the ones place. 9 into 1, 9. 9 is in the ones place. 9 into 1, 9. Then 0 is the 0 in the tens place. 0 in the tens place. 0 into 10. 0 into 10. 0. Then 6 is in the hundreds place. 6 is in the hundreds place. 6 into 100. 600. 6 into 100. 600. Then 8. 8 is in the thousands place. 8 into 1000. 8000. 8 into 1000. 8000. Next, find out the face value. Face value of 9 itself. Face value of tens. Face value of tens. Sorry, face value of 0. 0. Face value of 6. 6 itself. Face value of 8. 8. How many persons get the answer? Please raise your hands. Okay, good. Remains are your homework. C, D, E, F and G, H. Okay. Our next topic, expanded form. Expanded form. Expanded form. To write a number in the expanded form, we must first find the place value of each digit. We must find out the place value of each digit. Let us take a number 4357. 4357. Take your text, page number 79. 4357. Firstly, we find out the place value. Okay. Place value. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 7 is in the ones place. 5 is in the tens place. 3 is in the hundreds place. 4 is in the thousands place. Find out the place value. Place value of 7. 7. Ones place. 7 into 1. 7 into 1. 7. 7 into 1. 7. Then 5 is in the tens place. 5 is in the tens place. 5 into 10. 5 10. 5 into 10. 5 into 10. 50. 5 into 10. 50. Then place value of 3. Place value of 3. 3 is in the hundreds place. 3 is in the hundreds place. 3 hundreds. 3 into 100. 300. 3 into 100. 300. Then 4 is in the thousands place. 4 is in the thousands place. 4 into 1000. 4 into 1000. 4000. We find the place value. Okay. Number 4,357. How to write in expanded form? 4,000 plus, how to read it? 4,357. 4,357. Place value of 4. Place value of 4. 4,000 plus place value of 3. Place value of 3. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Place value of 3. 100. 300 plus place value of 5. 10. 5, 10. 50. Place value of 7. 7. 4,000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 7. Okay. 4,000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 7. How to read it? 4,357. 4,357. 4,000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 7. Okay. Did you understand? Okay. Example for you. Example 1. Listen here. 2,962. 2,962. How to write? You say 2,000 plus 900 plus 60 plus 2. Okay. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000. Write it. 2,000 plus 2,000 plus 900 plus 6 in the tens place. 6 into 10, 60. 6 into tens, 60. Then 2 is in the ones place. 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 2. I will explain one more time. The number 2,962. 2,962. 2 is in the ones place. 2 into 1, 2. 6 is in the tens place. 6 into 10, 60. 9 is in the hundreds place. 9 into 100, 900. 2 is in the thousands place. 2,000. 2,000 plus 900 plus 60 plus 2. 2,000 plus 900 plus 60 plus 2. Next one, B. 5,207. 5,270. 5,270. How to write in expanded form? 5,000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 0. Okay. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands. 0 in the ones place. 7 in the tens place. 2 in the hundreds place. 5 is in the thousands place. 5,000 plus 5,000 plus 200 plus 200 plus then next digit 7 in the tens place. 7 in the tens place. 7 10 70 plus 0 in the ones place 0. Okay. Five thousand plus 200 plus 70 plus 0. 5,000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 0. Okay. Did you understand? Okay. Our next topic, short form. How to find out the short form? To write in short form, we add up all the place values of the number. Our next topic, short form. Okay. 3,000. One example for you. 3,000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 9. 3,000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 9. We added all place values. 3,569. 3,569. How to write? 3,569. 3,569. Okay. Then examples. Example, first one, A. 700 plus 7,000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 2. 7,000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 2. 7,652. 7,652. Short form, 7,652. Okay, you say 7,652. 7,652. An example. 9,000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 9. 9,000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 9. Listen here. You say how to write in short form. 9,900 99. Okay. 9,999. 9,999. 9,999. Okay. Then, did you understand these? Okay. Next one, Exercise 1.3. Next is exercise 1.3. We have two questions here. I will explain one question from each part. First question, write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. A 1384. 1384. How to write in expanded form? 1000 plus 300 plus 80 plus 4. Ones, tens, 100,000. Ones, tens, 100,000. Okay. 4 ones, 4. 8 tens, 8 tens, 80. 3 hundreds, 3 hundreds. 3 into 100, 300. 1 into 1000, 1 into 1000, 1000. Okay. How to write in expanded form? 1000 plus 3 is in the hundreds place. 300 plus 8 is in the tens place. 80 plus 4 is in the ones place. 4. 1384. 1384. Okay. Did you finish? Write it. Okay. Next one. Second one. Write in short form. Write in short form. 4000 plus 4000 plus, listen here, 4000 plus 500 plus 80 plus 6. Okay, 4000 plus 500 plus 80 plus 6. Write in short form. 4586. 4586. 4586. How to read? 4586. Okay. First one is the expanded form. 1384. 1384. Write in expanded form. 1000 plus 300 plus 80 plus 4. Okay. Second one, short form. 4000 plus 500 plus 80 plus 6. 4586. 4586. Okay. Write it. Okay. Did you finish? Okay. Remains are your homework. Students, today's topic is over. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay. Thank you.